consuming green hydrogen. To be used to power engines, hydrogen needs to pass through a fuel cell. In the cell, the process is the opposite of what happens in electrolysis, which produces hydrogen gas. Fuel cells work like batteries, but they do not run out or need to be recharged. They produce electricity and heat as long as fuel is supplied. A fuel cell consists of two electrodes, a negative electrode, or anode, and a positive electrode, or cathode, sandwiched around an electrolyte. A fuel, such as hydrogen, powers the anode and air powers the cathode. In a hydrogen fuel cell, a catalyst at the anode separates hydrogen molecules into protons and electrons, which follow different paths to the cathode. The electrons pass through an external circuit, creating a flow of electricity. Protons migrate through the electrolyte to the cathode, where they unite with oxygen and electrons to produce water and heat.